I've just been out to get top up for my phone, and I've looked at that tree and they're starting to bud. Little brown leaves at the moment, but a couple of days they'll start going green and then turn into pink. So I'll be doing that, time-lapsing that. Hopefully I can get me, yes, that small camera, the Surfola. It's got a zoom on it 4 times soon, as long as I can get it up to 4 times so you can get it closer to it. Hopefully it'll look good. May take about 3 to 4 weeks for that video to come out, but it will look pretty decent. I would do it on my phone, but I don't fancy knackering my phone up for 3 weeks. But that's 2 times on this phone, so you can see me phone in reflection here. Anyway, I'll set it up soon. Not today though, but I'll set the little camera up and then set it off for so it'll work out to be about 12 seconds is a day. 6 seconds of it will be daylight and 6 will be night time. Hopefully it'll look alright. I think I may have jinxed it yesterday when I said, oh, first sign of spring with them daffodils. It's bloody freezing. Rooftops are bloody icy as well. Oh, bloody hell, it's cold as well. Really bloody cold. I'll look at temperature in a minute as well, see what minus it is today. Man. Moon looks pretty decent though. Not sure if you can see it on here. Only just looks like a little pinprick. Oh well. Anyway, good morning. Let's see what I'm going to get up to today. I know I'm going to be buying lottery, Euro lottery. 145, 149 I think, million. Oh yes. That will get me in a nice sunny place. Sitting on a beach drinking pina coladas, definitely. I'm going to get a coffee first before I get a shower. It's bloody too cold. Waiting for the room to heat up. Just done a bit of a time lapse on the ice melting on those bungalow roofs while I went in the shower, so he had his heating on a bit too high, so you see a lot of mist in it. I'll put it up right about now. Well, I'm going to get lottery and potatoes. Not a lot, but when I'm there I'll have a look, see if there's anything else. I've had an offer off Amazon. I put it down the DJI 3, which is the next one up to this one, and they've offered exclusive offer for me only, the DJI 4. at a great, absolutely fantastic price. I've got quite a bit of money already on my account, and I won't have to pay that much towards it. So if I take it up when I get back from the shop, I'll get it today. Probably do an opening as well for it, but that'll be later on, depending on what time it comes. Right, that's all my stuff bought. I got some extra as well. I usually do. Oh, I'm gonna get home, and I think I'm gonna put my order in. So if it comes today, I will do it later. I'll do a video later, I mean. And I'd add that one on tomorrow. I believe the one that's coming, or that I'm going to get, is the one with the invisible stick. Could be wrong on that, but I will see when it comes. So it's called the vlogging pack. Sometimes they have them, sometimes they don't. But it's got that magnetic stuff like this one where you can put it there. And I hope the same fitting for these. Anyway, I'm going to get in and order it. Right, let's have a go. There we go. Oh, I get a gift certificate as well. Oh, it's my gift certificate. I'm going to say that's quite a lot of it. There we go. It's on the way today. I'll just cover my address up. There it is. Right, let's see what time it comes for later. I'll put this stuff away. I've got eggs as well. I've just had a notification in my ear. Well, I didn't need much. Bread, eggs and potatoes. Oh, I'm a lottery. Anyway, I'm going to end this video here, and later I'll be doing an opening when it comes, and I'll put that video on tomorrow. So thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe.